I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing a clean environment so packages don't conflict. Once you have Python and a virtualenv, activate it and install requests, pandas, and parsing libraries. This gives you HTTP plus parsing plus data tools. Next, set a clear target URL or API and acquire any API keys you need. Store them in environment variables, not in code. Make sure to test a single HTTP GET manually, so you confirm connectivity before automating further. Now you fetch and parse the payload. Use requests. Get with proper headers and a reasonable timeout, confirm status code and raise for errors. If HTML, parse with beautiful soup and target elements by CSS selectors. If JSON, use response. JSON and traverse keys. Once extracted, normalize records into a pandas data frame for cleaning. Also implement pagination loops and respect API rate limits using time. Sleep or back off so your script runs reliably at scale. Finish by saving and automating. Write cleaned rows to CSV or Parquet with timestamps and compression. This makes reprocessing efficient. Then schedule the script with cron, a systemd timer, or a workflow tool like Airflow and add logging to capture failures. Finally, validate outputs after the first run. If something goes wrong, first check headers, auth tokens, and any IP-based blocking. Often adjusting headers or using retries with exponential backoff resolves transient failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.